President Bongbong Marcos says the government will continue working to ensure that Cebuanos affected by the magnitude 6.9 earthquake that struck on September 30 can get back on their feet. Marcos visited on Friday, October 17, Tent City in Bogo City, which is the epicenter of the tremor. In a brief interview, Marcos says he is pleased with the progress in the area compared to his last visit on October 2.
We are back here, binalikan namin yung hospital, itong pangalawang isang tent city at saka isa pa to, para inspeksyonin kung na-deliver na natin yung mga pangangailangan ng mga naging biktima, na-displace, yung mga nawalan ng tahanan nung nakaraang lindol. Kaya kami nandito. I'm happy to report na meron na talaga lahat ng nasiraan ng bahay ay meron ng tinitirahan kahit na tent lang muna. But for now, I think okay naman tayo. We will keep working to make sure everybody's okay, everybody's healthy, everybody has what they need.
The president expresses his gratitude to responders and all those who assisted the quake-stricken residents.
Kaya ako ay nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng ating mga first responder, lahat ng ating mga volunteer, pati na yung mga agencies of government, at maganda naman ang naging response. Siguro hindi naman tayo mapapahiya sa tao na sabi natin basta't may pangangailangan ay nandyan ang pamahalaan.
Furthermore, he commends the Philippine Red Cross for its initiative to set up makeshift swimming pools for children in the tent city. He says it meant a lot for the mental well-being of the youth in the area.
May magandang idea ang ginawa yung Red Cross, naglagay ng swimming pool para sa bata. Parang maliit lang na bagay, pero hindi. Dahil ang mga bata, kahit papano, talagang yanig ang isip nila. Dahil sa lindol, tapos nawalan ng bahay, tapos linipat dito. At least nakita mo, tumatawa na naman, nagsisigaw. Malaking bagay yan para sa mental health ng ating mga kabataan.
During his visit, Marcos went to the Bayanihan village in San Remigio town to inspect the modular shelter units turned over by the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development for the quake victims. He then proceeded to the Cebu Provincial Hospital and Tent City, both located in Bogo City. FIVOC said the September 30 quake was triggered by an on-land extension of the newly named Bogo Bay Fault. As of Friday, the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council reported 79 fatalities and 559 injuries from the tremor.